Hello folks, here we are again at Wally's Fire and Safety in the showroom. And we're going to have a little fire tech talk with you on one of our products today. Today we're going to be talking specifically about Bullard products and most specifically about Bullard helmets. Bullard offers a wide variety of helmets. As you see here, we go from wildland to dual certified rescue helmets, which are dual certified for structural as well as USAR work, conventional fire helmets, as well as traditional helmets, which I have here. One point I'd like to make on our traditional helmets, the Bullard helmet, is that this is a three-dimensional eagle here. That's your only choice. We don't do a cheap, inexpensive eagle. This is a three-dimensional eagle that actually has the flag, the bars and stars and stripes engraved into that leather front holder. So it's a very nice looking helmet. This is a matte finish. This particular has a retractable face shield. Now, so Reverend and I here are going to be presenting some features on comfortability with the Bullard helmets. I'd like to tell you a quick story. At FDIC several years ago, in the Bullard booth, there were 3 chairs. And the chairs were titled low fit, mid fit, and high fit. And customers were asked to come sit in the various chairs and choose which helmet they liked best. And quite often, customers chose different helmets. And what they learned, though, was that actually the helmet that fit them best was all the same helmet. It was just adjusted differently. Bullard has some very unique methods of adjusting the suspension in their helmet. They have primarily, initially, a very, very simple method with some internal posts on the suspension. When you just pull that brow pad back, you'll see there are 2 posts that stick out of the suspension. Take a flathead screwdriver, pull that band back, and adjust the band on those posts to create high or low. And as you do that on the front or the rear, it adjusts how your helmet sits. Your helmet may sit low, may sit high. You can adjust it to tilt frontward or rearward. And that really depends on the shape of your head. And I know that sounds funny, but your head has the shape of your head has a big influence on the way your helmet fits. When you get that helmet fitting balanced on your head, it feels like it weighs ounces and ounces less. So if you've got a helmet and you say, I don't like it, it feels heavy, it's front heavy, I don't like the way it sits on my head. If it's a Bullard helmet, I bet you can adjust that out of it. Now, there's a post adjustment on the front and the rear of the crown. And if that doesn't make your adjustment, there are even more custom fits in the U channel within the suspension. We have this brochure that we can send you to help you with that. Now, another feature Bullard has is the CARES kit. And what this is a replacement parts for the internal part of the helmet, so that those folks that have cancer awareness programs, when you're exchanging hoods with your firefighters, you may also exchange the internal parts of the Bullard helmets. So that's for the cancer awareness aspect. Good time to mention the Bullard wipes too for cancer awareness. So with that, we'd like for you to consider the Bullard helmet. This is the UST with a matte finish, red color. The blacks look very leather-like in this matte finish, and we'd like for you to consider those. If you have Bullard helmets already and you want to play around with the adjustment to fit your head better, then the information I just gave you is a good way to do that. If you feel like you need the custom fit brochure, we have those in PDF format. We can email you. There's also a video online, a YouTube video that can assist you in custom fitting your Bullard helmet. Thank you. We appreciate you all supporting Wally's Fire and Safety. God bless you. God bless America. Okay, this is the post adjustment on the front and rear of the Bullard helmet that will allow you to adjust your suspension up and down, forward or rearward. Just pull back the brow pad on the front or rear, slide that off of that little post that you see in there, and then adjust it up or down. There are 2 holes in this band. So just adjust up to the upper or lower band, snap it in place, and try that out. If it feels too forward or too rearward or too high or low, just keep playing around with it and adjust it until it gets that best fit for you.